Hi, welcome to Phoneinc repair tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to replace a Nokia N95 8GB. What you'll need to have is a T5 screwdriver, a pick, and obviously a brand new LCD. First of all, to turn off the phones, take out the batteries, then use your T5 screwdriver. Push the front panel upwards. There's two screws. Just unscrew those gently. Just make sure you don't do it too fast, because otherwise it might damage the thread and it will be hard to put it back on. Just do those two screws very gently. You slide the panel downwards. There's two more screws. Just unscrew those. With the N95 8GB LCD, it is different to the N95, so make sure you have the right LCD, because it's actually a different resolution. Now use your pick. There's 4 clips around the side, so unclip those 4 clips with a pick. Just slide them across the sides, and your front panel should come off pretty easily. Just make sure you take out the keypad, and then the keypad panel should pop out from the socket. Unclip the flexi cable, LCD flexi cable from the main board. Your LCD should come out pretty easily. Now replace your LCD with the new one, clipping the flexi cable onto the main board. And before you peel off anything, just make sure that LCD is working. So put the keypad, put the battery, and we turn it on just to test it out. It will take a little while, but once the start up screen displays, you'll double check that there's no dead pixels. If everything is okay, then you peel off the protective film. Put the front lens cover back on. Make sure the speaker that's attached to the front lens cover is still intact. Then just gently screw back the screws. 4 screws, 2 on the top and 2 more on the bottom. As I was talking about the speakers that's attached to the front glass, just make sure it's still intact, it didn't fall out. Usually it's pretty well glued. If it does fall out, just make sure you pop it back to the original place. Put the batteries in, we'll test it again, turn it back on, and once everything is working, test all the keypads, make sure that all the button is working, and voila, you have just replaced your LCD for the N95 8GB. This clip is brought to you by Phoneinc Repair. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.